In this video, we will talk about cooperation in the area of decision-making, consultation model of representatives, and the introduction of co-management systems are just a few examples of possible forms of cooperation between local actors in order to promote youth participation. Other forms of partnership building exist, however, and communities should be able to find at least one that would be relevant for them. Examples of such forms of cooperation are given below. Joint projects and initiatives at this stage. Local authorities sometimes invite non-governmental organizations specialized in specific fields or topics to join initiatives and projects. Delegating statutory tasks. In some countries, local authorities have the freedom to delegate some of their statutory tasks to non-governmental organizations. On the basis of special agreements outlining the rights and responsibilities of both parties, organizations take over the implementation of local policies, such as environmental policy, policy on access to culture, take over the running of programs, such as shelter services for homeless youth or feeding programs. Structural funding. 1. This type of financial support does not cover the cost of projects and actions, but instead covers costs related to the everyday running of the organization, employment costs, or administration costs, for example. 2. Structural funding can be very important for youth organizations with little experience in fundraising, but also for informal youth groups or organizations that are run without permanent staff responsible for fundraising. Grant system. Organizations can receive financial support from local authorities for activities and programs run by them. These activities are planned and implemented independently from the local authorities, although the funds usually go to those activities that fit local priorities. Guarantor. The revised charter mentions a special type of support available for organizations involved in youth participation, the appointment of a guarantor. The guarantor can be either a person or a group who is independent from both political and youth participation structures. The main role of the guarantor is to act as an interface or channel of communication between young people and local authorities' representatives in cases of tension between the two parties. Other forms of cooperation, exchange of information about initiatives, plans, developments, etc., creating joint advisory teams of governmental and non-governmental bodies working on different topics, inviting the representatives of the other party to open meetings, debates, etc.